This is a red-lip Harold. It's a mildly venomous species, but it can't do anything to humans. Its main source of food is it eats frogs. We get them a lot where people have fish ponds and stuff like that, swimming pools. They are sometimes quite aggressive. This is one of the biggest ones I've found. Now, when they're big like this, I've rarely ever seen them being aggressive. They call the red-lip Harolds because of the red lip they have. But all over South Africa, the lip is different. In KZN, you get their lips where they almost blue to dark blue. Over here, we get them prominently red-lipped, and it's a beautiful snake species that we find all over South Africa. And like I said, they frog eaters. So the reason they go to houses is because of lights. People put up lights to feel safe at night. The lights attract insects, and the insects attract frogs, and then they come after the frogs. So yeah, it's a special species. All snakes have a fear of humans. So when they see humans and they see they can't get away, they usually flare up and let their cheeks, they flatten their heads and widen their cheeks to look more dangerous, almost like an adder. But it's just an adaptation for them to look more threatening, so people will leave them out. But yeah, this is a very special snake.